What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to start an online business from scratch in 2022. Now, the business I'm going to share with you is incredibly simple, and I've actually over the last 5 years been doing this and making over 6 figures. So as you watch this video, you're going to learn from someone that's actually getting results online. Now, the beautiful thing about this online business is rather than a lot of other businesses that I've personally tried, I've tested dozens and dozens over the years, you don't need any previous experience. You don't need any tech skills. And this online business, once you get it going, which I'm going to share as you continue to watch this entire video, you can literally spend about 30 to 60 minutes a day and create a multiple 6-figure and even 7-figure online business. Okay, so if you're excited to learn this, be sure you stick around. You don't want to miss any of these simple steps so you can go out there, start to create the online business you want. Maybe to quit a job, maybe you want to travel the world, maybe you just want to do the things you want to do with the people you love doing it with. Now, before I hop on my laptop and break down exactly how this online business works, be sure to click the subscribe button and the bell icon if you haven't subscribed already. I'm going to be posting weekly videos, so go ahead and do that, and let's hop on my computer right now. Now, before I dive into this online business that I recommend, I want to share just very quick some results. So you can see right here, this is my account. And this is one income stream with this type of online business. I've been able to generate over $26,000, and I have a $1,280 payment coming and more money on the way. Okay, so what is this online business? What it is affiliate marketing. Okay, now the reason I highly recommend affiliate marketing as the best online business is it's the easiest to start, right? You don't need any overhead. You don't need to buy products and store them in a closet and try to ship them. You don't have to deal with all the technical aspects, and you don't even have to deal with customers directly, right? It's very, very simple. Like I shared on the whiteboard, all it is getting traffic or eyeballs or visitors to a product. And the other cool thing about affiliate marketing is you don't have to create the products yourself. You know, there's a lot of different business models online, and I've tried virtually all of them. A lot of them, you have to be very good at sales. You have to create the web pages yourself. You have to test a lot of different things. But with affiliate marketing, again, it's the most low barrier to entry, right? So many people, so many of my students have been able to literally just follow what I share on my YouTube videos, and within their first week, generate money online, okay? Because again, all you have to do is find a product, okay, and then use one of these methods, whether it's on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, usually social media, okay? Now, you can also learn how to drive what's called paid traffic. This is where you invest some money and you actually pay someone that may have a platform to run ads, and you can send that to an affiliate product. But starting off, you can literally just start for free. You can promote using free traffic. Okay, so if you have a social media profile, let's say on Facebook, let's say on TikTok, you can literally just post an advertisement, get people interested, and then when they respond, you can share your link. Okay, so with affiliate marketing, the way it works is when you promote a product, you're going to get a link. Now, this link is coded and tracked to you. So when you promote that link, driving traffic to that link through, again, YouTube, Facebook, when someone buys that product through your link, that's how the product creator knows you made that sale, you made that referral, and they will give you a portion of the money. Now, often you can make as much as 50, even 60, 70% of the sale. So if you make, $100 sale, you can make up to $70 in some cases, okay? So it's incredibly lucrative. Now, when I first got started with affiliate marketing many years back, what I did was I first went to a site like Amazon, okay? Now, a lot of people don't realize this. You've probably bought something from Amazon, or at least you've researched a product to buy from Amazon.com. A lot of people don't realize that Amazon has an affiliate program. So you can literally sign up as an affiliate on Amazon, and you can go ahead and promote any product on Amazon as an affiliate. And when someone buys, okay, when someone goes to your affiliate link, they'll get taken to a page like this. And when they add to cart, okay, and they buy, you're going to get a portion of that money. Okay, now it doesn't matter what product you actually want to promote. Now, one of the easiest methods that I was starting with when it comes to affiliate marketing, and anyone can really do, is you can actually create a simple review video of a product that you have around your house. So if you look around your house or your apartment, maybe you have a camera, maybe you have a, I'm looking around my apartment here, maybe, even a coffee maker, okay? Anything like that, you can look up the brand on Amazon, and all you have to do is take your phone, okay, your smartphone, and all you have to do is just record a very simple 5 to 10 minute video sharing your thoughts, giving an honest review of that product. Hey, I like this, I don't quite like this, but overall I think it's good. And then all you have to do is get your affiliate link with Amazon, put it below the video in the description, and when someone buys that video, that product through your video, you can start to make money, okay? So that's just one way to do affiliate marketing. Very easy. Again, the product's already created. I'm on a lapel microphone right now. Okay, this is actually something I bought. Now, one of the problems with Amazon, though, and this is what I finally realized over a lot of time, what I realized was if you have a goal of, let's say, $10,000 a month, right? Maybe you want to start an online business, you want to make 6 figures a year, you have a goal of about $10,000 or more per month. Well, if you're promoting products on Amazon, they're going to pay you, sometimes as little as 2% commissions, okay? So it's incredibly low. And, this product right here is only $9.99. So you're looking at making a few cents if you got someone to buy this. Now, if you, go on here and I do something like, let's say, televisions. Now, this is, $500. And if I made a sale, okay, that 2 to 3% commission is going to be a little bit more, but you're still needing a lot of sales to make money with Amazon, okay? Now, if I go back to my whiteboard, what I finally realized was you want to drill down and you want to focus on one main niche, okay, one main category of products that you want to start to focus on. Now, the best kind is to find products in the health, wealth, and relationships niches. Okay, so health, this could relate to your physical health, your mental health. This could be, keto diet. This could be intermittent fasting. This could be building muscle, losing weight. There's a lot of different subcategories in the niche of health. There's wealth, making money, saving money, trading Forex, crypto, right? There's a lot of different sub niches and you can drill down deeper, but wealth is a very, very good niche that you can focus on. Or relationships, getting back with your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend, how to keep your marriage strong, how to succeed with women, right? How to become a pickup artist, right? These are different sub niches that you can go into. Now, the reason you want to mainly focus on these when first starting with affiliate marketing is these are evergreen niches, meaning if you focus on health and you start creating content, you start posting on Facebook about that specific niche, that niche is going to be relevant for a very long time. Most people are always going to want to improve their health. They're always going to want to improve their wealth, and they're always going to want to improve their relationships. So you're safe to go into these niches for a very long time. Now, I was learning how to make money online. I was learning affiliate marketing. So for me, I just realized, hey, if I just teach affiliate marketing, if I share content on what I'm learning in videos or posts on Instagram or TikTok, I'm going to start to build an audience, and then I can recommend different products that I don't have to create. And when someone buys those products from me because they know, like, and trust me, I'm going to be able to make sales and commission. So that's what I started realizing. I focused on the wealth. But again, you want to pick one of these, right? Now, after a while, I started realizing there's other affiliate places to find products, right? There's ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is actually free to join. Okay, you can click start here, create an account. Now, once you do that, okay, I'll actually log into my account because I have an account. Once you log in, okay, you can actually go to the marketplace and you can see products in different niches in ClickBank. Now, this is a little bit better than Amazon because they pay you a lot more, and they also give you tools to actually make sales. So the e-business, e-marketing, that's more like the wealth. Here's the health, and then self-help, that's where the relationships. So you can literally go to, let's say, health, and you can see tons of different products to promote. Okay, now see, they pay you a little bit more per sale, per conversion. This is $146, $116. Now you can also open up this page here. Okay, they all have these affiliate pages, and what they do is they give you tools, okay, like email swipes that you can send if you have email addresses of people. Or sometimes they'll share like images, okay, that you can go ahead and post on Facebook or on a website, on a blog to help make sales, okay? So with ClickBank, they give you more resources. They give you more information on how to actually make sales, okay? You can open this one. Some products provide more tools than others, okay? So this one, okay, it looks like you have to actually sign up, okay, to actually receive the tools, which is fine, okay? But you want to go through and you want to look, okay? So I started realizing that, hey, I can actually click this promote button from ClickBank and I can get my affiliate link. And when I get people to click this link, okay, whether again, Facebook, YouTube, I can start to make commissions. Now, I still wasn't making a ton of money through this because I realized that, you know, if it's $146 per sale and I have a goal of $10,000, okay, it's still going to take 68 sales a month to hit $10,000. That's a lot of sales. So my final breakthrough when it came to affiliate marketing was I realized that I could do something called, okay, high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, what is high ticket affiliate marketing? High ticket affiliate marketing is you can literally make $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 per commission. The products that you're promoting cost more, so you need way less sales. And all you have to do is the same work. Post on YouTube, Facebook, okay? And when someone buys that product, you can make a lot more. And you could see right here that I've been promoting a higher ticket product, okay, or rather affiliate program in the Make Money Online niche. It teaches people how to create a successful online business in about 30 to 60 minutes a day. And you can see, okay, these were very recent. I was able to generate a $3,000 commission, okay? One referral, one recommendation, and a $3,000 commission. Right here, a $1,500 commission, okay? Right here, a $2,000 commission, right? So I only need a few commissions per month to hit $10,000, okay? Now my goal is a lot higher because I've been hitting $10,000 for a while. But if you're first starting, $10,000 is a great benchmark to shoot for. And with $2,000 per commission, you only need about 5 a month, okay, to hit that goal. So it's very, very powerful. Now, you may be watching this video and you think, Garrett, this makes a lot of sense, right? I understand why affiliate marketing is so simple, right? It's literally just sending visitors. That's all you're doing. The product, if you have a good affiliate program, it has the websites. It has the follow-up emails. It has the sales team in place that will even call your leads, okay, if you join a good affiliate program. All you have to do is get traffic. Now, you may think, Garrett, how do I get traffic? Well, that's what my YouTube channel is dedicated to. You can go through my YouTube channel, and I have tons of videos on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, how to get traffic, and then all you have to do is send it to a product. Now, before you go, though, you may be wondering, how do I find a really good affiliate program to promote that's going to pay me these high-ticket sales, right? How do I make this amount of money? $2,000, $5,000? I want to include a link directly below. When you click that link, you're going to get taken to my website. All you have to do is put in your best email, and I'm going to send you a private, free, in-depth, step-by-step training on how to plug in to my #1 recommended affiliate program so you can literally start to just send traffic and wake up to these big commissions, okay? These come in while I'm traveling. I'm in Brazil currently at the time of recording this on vacation. I'm at the beach, and I often will check my phone and say, hey, I just made another $1,000 commission, right? It's absolutely amazing, and you can find out more below. I really hope you got value. If you did, be sure to click the like button. It tells me to make more. Also, subscribe with the bell icon. I'm going to be posting more videos, more in depth on how to actually do affiliate marketing properly. And again, check out the link below for that free training. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.